Hello everyone, AkarFire here. Today we'll continue working on my small side project called Zaris. If you haven't seen the previous videos about it, then go and check them out. Anyway, let's get started. Under the previous video, I saw lots of really cool suggestions on how to make the game much more fun and interesting. I'm still thinking about all of them and trying to combine these ideas with the ones I had before, so this will probably take a while. This time we won't add anything too big, but rather improve what we already have. This lifeless camp definitely needs some attention. Firstly, I modeled two new NPCs, Blacksmith and Scientist, and placed them in the camp. I gave them dialogues and put them near their walking spots. For the Blacksmith, I also modeled this anvil, cause every blacksmith needs one. I also quickly added a new side quest, which you can get from this blacksmith. This quest gives you access to heavy arrows and allows you to test them in real battle, so it should be quite useful. But still, the camp seems really lifeless, which is definitely not cool. So I had to do something about it. I decided to give NPCs an AI so they can walk around the camp, do stuff, work sometimes, and simulate life in any other way. In order to do this, I had to give them a schedule so they know when they are supposed to work, when to relax, and when to sleep. I used the state variable to determine what an NPC is currently doing. The state changes depending on the time of day and reacts to the player's actions. So for example, when the player starts talking to an NPC, he or she will stop and change their state to talking. In the behavior tree, I just have a selector that checks which state is currently active and calls the necessary commands. When the NPC is working, he will go to his working place and start playing his working animation. When it's time to relax, all NPCs will start roaming around from one point of interest to another. They can also play different animations when interacting with objects of interest. Later, I will also give them an ability to talk to each other, so they look more lively. All in all, these changes do seem to help solving the lifelessness of the camp, but I still need to work on improving them. Alright, guess that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, thinking about major game changes takes a lot of time, and I don't really want to infinitely tweak this rather rough prototype without ever getting it to look like a game. Before I actually implement any global changes, I want to work on some other aspects of the game, like the main menu, settings, and of course the saving system, which will be the biggest pain. I will try not to spend too much time on this, so don't worry, we will get to very cool stuff really soon. So subscribe not to miss something cool, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.